Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. I don't take them for granted. Thank you for all the love and support. Okay guys, today I will be sharing with you this powerful remedy, like all the ladies in the house. This one is for you. If you want to boost your libido, if you want to be more active in the other room, get in here. So let me introduce my ingredients. We are using just 2 ingredients, okay? Cloves and orange juice. Please, we don't need any artificial ingredients in this remedy, okay? So make sure you buy your orange and squeeze out the juice yourself. Do not buy already made orange. So like we all know, cloves is packed with lots and lots of benefits. Cloves is good for you as a lady. If you don't know about cloves, or you have not been using cloves, please start doing it. There are so many ways you can use your cloves. So first, I'm going to use my mortar, my pestle, to mash the cloves a little bit so that when I'm boiling it, it will enable the juice to come out very well. Like it will enable the cloves to infuse into the water very well. I will do that now, then I will boil it, okay? So our cloves water is ready. Then all we need to do right now is to mix both the orange juice and the cloves water together. How to use this? You can take this 3 times or 4 times a week. Take this before bedtime, okay? It's more effective when you take this before bedtime. Please do not take the full glass. You can take half glass. You can also give half glass to your man, okay? Though I said the video is for the ladies, but you can still give this to your man, okay? If you want to boost your libido, you want to be sweet down there, you want to be more active in the other room, this drink is for you, okay? Don't miss out. Hope you enjoyed watching and hope you'll be trying this recipe. Please kindly give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Turn on your bell notification to always get notified whenever I upload a new videos, because I will be sharing a lot of informative content on this channel, okay? We are going to be learning a lot of remedies, because in here we talk about natural stuff, healthy stuff. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.